Stand up on it. Go. Now you got to do circles. That's it, mate. Keep turning. That's it. Now come through here. Come towards me. That's it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Try to catch me. Come on. Ugh. 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 That was pretty good.
And my wheel's still turning.
Alright. Wait.
Once I have me, can I look at the dog?
Yep.
But you tell me when I've caught you.
Okay, so. No, that foot on the ground. Yep, now. You're going to stand up on that and put as much weight as you can as possible, remember? Ready, set, go. Stand. Ah.